When a bank's ATM fails, a department's favorite copier breaks, or a worker's computer crashes, work is disrupted and customers are frustrated. Computer automated teller or ATM and office machine repairers install equipment and get it back up and running when the pressure is on. These machine repairers install and repair computers, word processing systems, and ATMs, as well as office equipment such as copiers, printers, and fax machines. They order parts and interpret complex manuals and diagrams to conduct regular service and repairs. The nature of this work requires that repairers travel from customer to customer, machine to machine, so many of their working hours may be spent on the go, in vehicles or on foot, sometimes transporting machinery with them for installation or repair. Most computer, ATM, and office machine workers work 40 hours or more per week. Positions typically need an associate's degree or a technical certification.